We're at the Lee Stafford Academy and we learn his recipes for styling and cutting. And I really do think his techniques are spot on, because there are many ways that you can style and cut hair, but his recipes are very structured. So my class haven't done the long disconnection recipe yet, and we're all looking forward to learning that recipe today. So we get to experiment with his recipes and try new things and learn from his mistakes, as he structured his recipes a lot. And I do think that the tutors here really do make the college a lovely place, because they're so supportive and kind and caring, like Pam and Gaynor. They do make this course a complete course. We also get to use his products and experiment with new products that come out. And it also teaches us about ingredients and things in products that we should look for when, in the future, if we have our own salons and stuff, and what equipment and what products we want to use for our own salons. Well, I'm looking forward to coming back for level 3. My plan is to work on the days that I'm not here up until I'm 18 years old, and then once I'm 18, my dream is to volunteer in different countries, and I'm hoping to take my skill as a hairdresser with me and to help people in need by using my skill. I'm hoping to do a business and take it with me wherever I go, because Lee spent so many years going to all different masterclasses and learning from these people, and I'm really grateful that I've been able to do all of that here without having to leave, where I live. So I haven't had to travel as far and work as hard as he has to achieve the same kind of thing.